My name's Kat, I'm 30 years old, and even though I did everything right, got good grades, went to uni, got a job, I still feel like I'm behind in life. Social media is partly to blame for that, and doom scrolling through hundreds of videos showing how people are investing, travelling, buying houses, cars, and little luxuries, who are the same age or even younger than me, surprisingly doesn't make you feel great. If you've watched other investing and finance videos, you've probably heard the phrase, time in the market is better than timing the market. I think I've heard the phrase in almost every investing video I've ever watched. It's catchy and gives me the same feeling as doom scrolling on Instagram. Am I too late? Is this even worth it? And then, how much further ahead would I be if I'd known about this sooner? Well, I've run the numbers, and assuming I'd put 10 grand into the S&P 500 back in 2016 and not touched it at all, I'd probably have around £17,000. If I'd put in 10k and then added £200 every month after that, it would probably be closer to £40,000. That's a deposit for a house, and far more than I thought it would be, so excuse me while I lay down for a bit. I think if I'd seen more people starting out with more realistic portfolios right at the beginning of their journey, rather than the hundreds of thousands already generating enough interest or dividends per month to match my own income, I might have started earlier. So here I am, sharing every ISA, LISA, stock and share I have on this channel. I have a cash ISA, a stocks and shares ISA, and a LISA with Plum. And in 2025, I opened a cash ISA and a stocks and shares ISA with Trading 212. I've never taken any sort of course, I'm a total beginner, and I've learned everything from videos online. So every gain is a miracle, and loss is almost a certainty. But it's better than letting my savings sit in a bank account with a poor interest rate, which I did for far longer than I should have. My loftiest goal is to have a small house with a sunny south-facing garden and a dog, without a mountain of debt. And if I'm being really crazy, I would love to do the weekly shop without needing to stick to a list. I'm definitely dreaming big here. I've cut out everything I possibly can in terms of subscriptions, and I don't drink, smoke or drive, though working from home helps a lot with that one. I don't have any credit card debt, though I still have quite a bit in student loans. And I'm currently living with my family to reach my goals a bit quicker. My current goal is to reach £100,000 invested, and we'll see how long that takes. Obviously, it's not productive to keep berating myself over what could have been or where I should be. It's the same feeling as not investing or buying a house back in 2008, even though I was a child and there was zero possibility of that happening. So while the best time to invest was 20 years ago, the second best time is now. And since you're watching this video, this channel is what's going to keep me accountable. I'll be tracking my progress here, and I hope this inspires you to start yourself or keep pushing forward with your own goals. If you want to see what this beginner invested in and how I got started, take a look at this video and subscribe to follow along.